Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through simple conversations. In today's episode, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English in a simple, clear, and confident way. Let's get started.
David, I always feel nervous when I have to introduce myself in English.
That's very normal, Emma. But don't worry, it's actually very simple.
Really? It feels difficult sometimes.
Only because you're overthinking. Today, I'll show you an easy step-by-step way. Step 1. Say your name. Start with your name.
Like, my name is Emma?
Exactly. Or you can say, "Hi, I'm Emma."
Oh, that sounds natural.
Step 2. Say where you are from. Next, say where you are from.
I'm from London.
Perfect. Step 3. Talk about your job or study. Then talk about what you do.
I'm a student, or I work in a company.
Yes, keep it simple. Step 4. Talk about your interests. Now add your hobbies or interests.
I like reading and watching movies.
Great, that makes your introduction more personal. Step 5. Add a goal. Optional. Finally, you can talk about your goals.
Like, I want to improve my English?
Exactly. Let me show you a full introduction. My name is David. I'm from Manchester. I work as a designer. I enjoy football and traveling. I want to improve my communication skills.
That sounds clear and easy.
Now it's your turn.
Hi, my name is Emma. I'm from London. I work in marketing. I enjoy reading and drinking coffee. I want to travel and learn new things.
Excellent. That was perfect.
Common mistakes. Sometimes I try to use difficult words and I get confused.
That's a common mistake. Use simple English first.
So simple is better?
Always. Confidence tip. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
That makes me feel better.
Let's try a real-life situation. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too. My name is Emma. I'm from London.
What do you do?
I work in marketing.
That's great.
Now I feel more confident introducing myself.
That's the goal. Practice every day.
I'll try this with new people.
Great idea. Great job. Now you know how to introduce yourself in English. Keep it simple, practice daily, and speak with confidence. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. See you in the next episode.